and Ronald Barber answers the door.
This.
They arrest him and return him to California,
Mike.
where a jury convicts and sentences him to 15 years.
Might be some kind of tire on
He
it.
refuses to say where his brother Harry is. For 8 years, Harry remains a fugitive.
It's got some sort of green
Then,
paint
in
on it.
1980, a woman in Brookville, Pennsylvania contacts the FBI.
I knew him as Brent.
She tells agents that her friend has been living with a man who told her he committed a famous bank burglary in California,
The other day, only because
and that his real name is Harry Barber.
worried
The woman tells the FBI that in an attempt to lead a legitimate life, the fugitive is working maintenance at a local campground.
here.
Agents move in and arrest him.
Hey, Barber. FBI, hands in the air. Stop fire.
Harry Barber is convicted and sentenced to 20 years. Agents can finally close the case on the largest bank burglary in United States history.
Alright.
Authorities believe Emil Dincio and his gang committed more than a dozen bank burglaries